Welcome to today's yoga session designed for those looking to manage their weight. We'll focus on gentle, effective poses that help improve flexibility, burn calories, and strengthen your body. Move at your own pace and let's work towards a healthier, more balanced you. Let's get started.
Let's do Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. Ready? Sit at the edge of your mat, facing the short side of the mat. Outstretch your legs. You can move the skin from your buttocks to make sure that you're sitting on the sit bones. Inhale, bring your arms up above the heads, and then as you exhale, start leaning forward. The movement is led by the belly. So we start leaning forwards until you can catch your feet. Inhale, exhale. Here, the breath is key. Take long exhalation to make space in the body and to get deeper in the pose. For 3, 2, 1, inhale, come back up, and you can come out of the pose, coming back to the starting posture. Fantastic! Let's do Supta Kapotasana, the reclining pigeon pose. Let's go. All right, lay on your mat, keeping your legs bent. And then bring the right foot on the top of the left thigh. Interlock your fingers behind the left thigh. Inhale. And as you exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, let go. And then we're just changing sides. Bring the left foot on the top of the right knee. Interlock your finger behind the right thigh. Inhale. Exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, you can let go and come back into a laying posture. Beautiful work. Let's do Skandha Chakra, the shoulder rolls. Are you ready? Sit on your mat in a cross-legged position and then bring your hands in front of you, palms facing up, and drop your hands on your shoulders. Bring the elbows together and then inhale, start rotating. Inhale up and exhale as you go down. Take your time. One more. And the next time you arrive up, just change the direction. One more time. Beautiful. And you can let go of the hands, bring them back on the knees and relax. Let's do Parivrita Sukhasana, the seated twist pose. Meet me here on your cross-leg sitting position. When you're ready, you can take a long and deep inhalation, bringing your arms in a line. And as we exhale, we're going to twist, bringing the left hand on the right knee and dropping the right hand behind us. Engage your abs, spine straight, look behind you. Fantastic. We're staying for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, twist the other side around. This time, right hand on the left knee, left hand behind you, spine straight, look behind you. We stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to your center. Drop your hand on the knee. Beautiful. Let's do Apanasana, the knee to chest pose. All right, let's start sitting facing the short side of the mat. And then lay on your mat. Bring the back against the mat. And then with your hands, catch your knees and very slowly bring them to your chest. You can just hold on your knees or even hug your knees to your chest. You decide also if you want to bring your forehead against the knees or if it stays on the mat. For 3, 2, 1. And then you can gently let go of the legs and come to a laying posture. Fantastic. Let's do Purna Yogic Pranayama, the yogic full breath. Are you ready? Sit comfortably on your mat. This is a breath in 3 times. We start with abdominal breath. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale, contract the belly. The second time is the chest. Inhale, expand the chest, and exhale, contract the chest. And finally, the third time is the clavicles. As we inhale deeply, we lift up the clavicles, and as we exhale, they drop down. Then we put all of this together. Inhale, start with the belly, the chest, and the clavicles, and exhale, clavicles, chest, and belly. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Fantastic. Relax. Let's do Dandayamana Yoga Mudrasana, the standing yoga seal pose. And we're starting standing on the mat. Open your legs so the feet are a bit wider than hips distance. Make sure that your whole body is aligned, engage the abs, and then inhale, bring your arms behind you, interlock your fingers, and as we exhale, we start leaning forward from the hips. We lean forwards until the head falls down, and we bring the arms up. Beautiful. Relax the neck. And we're staying in the pose here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend slightly the knees and come back up, lowering your arms. And you can let go of the arms, come back to your starting posture. Let's do Vashisthasana, the side plank pose. Are you ready? We are starting with a tabletop posture. And then outstretch your legs behind you. Bring the heels together and drop the heels on the left side. Bring the right hand up. Create a nice line from both hands, and we stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand on the mat. Turn the heels, and we're doing exactly the same thing on the other sides. All body engaged. We stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands back on the mat and then drop the knees. Come back in your starting posture. Take a long inhalation. Exhale. And relax. Let's do Anuvittanasana, the standing back bend pose. Ready? Alright, stand on your mat with your feet more or less hips distance. And then bring your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing downwards. Take a long inhalation and push your hips forward. Open your chest, roll your shoulder back. Look up, lift the chin up. Try to get deeper in the back bend, and we're staying here together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage your abs and bring yourself back up very slowly. Let go of the hands. Take a long inhalation. Exhale and relax. Let's do Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide-legged forward bend. And we are starting standing on the mats. Here, open your legs wider, as wide as comfortable, making sure that the toes are pointed outwards. Let the legs be a little bit soft, no overstretching. Put your hands on your hips and start leaning forward, keeping the spine straight. Lean forward, stop halfway. Inhale. Exhale, keep leaning forward. Bring your hands on the mat. And let's drop the head on the mat. We're staying here for 3, 2, 1. And come back up, pushing yourself with the hands halfway, and then bend the legs and come all the way back up. Legs together and relax.
Great job, everyone. You've taken a positive step towards your wellness goals today. Keep moving, stay consistent, and remember, every small effort adds up. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next session.